dog of the week is Jack. This little senior is friendly and affectionate. Jack gets along well with other dogs and wants nothing more than to be near his people. Do you have space for this boy to spend his golden years with you? Come meet Jack today. Our cat of the week is Jasmine. This beautiful girl is gentle, friendly, and quiet. Jasmine will do best in a quiet home without dogs or children, but gets along well with other cats. Come meet this beauty in the Rainbow Room today.